This video is going to show how to perform a transient simulation in OrCAD PSpice. A transient simulation shows the behavior of voltage, current, or power in the time domain as if it was plotted in an oscilloscope. Open the provided design in OrCAD PSpice Designer. Before running a simulation profile must be created. To do this, select PSpice, New Simulation Profile from the menu. Name the simulation profile Trans and click Create. If the Simulation Manager Product Choices window opens, select the appropriate license and click OK. Select Transient from the Analysis Type drop-down menu. Enter 100 microseconds for the run-to time to run the simulation for 100 microseconds. Leave the other settings as the defaults and click OK. For a transient simulation to show any results, probes must be placed in the schematic. Select the Voltage Level Marker button from the toolbar. Click to place probes on the Vout and Vout reference nets. Right-click and select End Mode when finished. Select PSpice, Run from the menu or the Run button on the toolbar to start the simulation. The PSpice AD window opens. View the simulation results. The output reference rises as expected. The output overshoots the reference and starts decaying. Minimize the PSpice AD window. Let's analyze the current at the load resistor. Back in the schematic, select the Current Marker button from the toolbar. Click to place a current marker on the input of resistor R3. Right-click and select End Mode when finished. View the PSpice AD window. The plot shows a new trace showing resistor current. Due to the comparatively low current of the resistor, the scale is off for the three plotted traces and results can be difficult to analyze. To adjust the plot window and improve visibility of the results, add a new y-axis. Select Plot, Add Y-axis from the menu. The new y-axis is added to the side of the plot. Select R3 in the legend and press Ctrl X on the keyboard. With the new y-axis selected, press Ctrl V to paste. The trace is placed and scaled properly. The current rises proportionally to the voltage. Easily perform a transient analysis to analyze circuit behavior before production with PSpice. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.